Hello, my name is Luke Nault, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a proper paper airplane. The supplies that are needed include one sheet of plain white paper, some tape, and some magic markers. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is take the sheet of plain white paper and fold it in half the long way so that the corners of the paper match up. Now unfold it to reveal a straight line down the center. Next, take the upper right corner and fold it down towards the center line. Now do the same with the upper left corner. Now you do the same thing to both sides again. Now we fold it in half again. Then we fold the flaps down parallel to the center line on both sides. Open up the flaps to reveal wings. The next step is to take a piece of tape and apply it to the top to stabilize the wings. You can choose to either keep the plain white, or you can have some fun designing it with some magic markers. Now that we've designed our paper airplane, let's give it a try. So now that you know how to make a proper paper airplane, enjoy!